Hi everybody. It's week 5 of staying at home here in Portland, and just checking in. I've got a song of the week for you, but before that, I just wanted to share a little bit and provide some encouragement, if you will. I don't know about you. I feel like I've been going back and forth between two kind of opposite feelings lately. One of which is extreme gratitude, tinged with tinged with a bit of guilt that we're all healthy here and we've got food on the table. I think we're all going to be okay by the end of all of this. And so I feel like I should be doing more. I should be happier. I should be more on top of things, more settled. The closest the virus has gotten to me is the loss of our great singer-songwriter John Prine this week. The fact that that is the closest, nobody in my immediate family. I feel like I should be, I just shouldn't be as tired as I am and exhausted and overwhelmed and stressed, but the fact is I've got a lot of questions about my life right now, and every day, you just take it one day at a time. And I find myself wanting to be more like my 19-month-old, who just, nothing's changed much for him. We still get to go outside and walk around the block and explore the laws of physics, learning by doing. And I just find myself wanting to live life a little bit more through his eyes and just kind of let the other things go. And I'm trying to keep it all in balance, I guess. And so in that light, I want to just encourage you this week to be kind to yourself. I think we're all having a hard time. We can all find those moments of joy, and it's just a matter of holding those things in balance however we may. So I just want to encourage you, be kind to yourself. Find those things that bring you joy, even in just a small little moment. Embrace it, and find the balance. Do what you got to do for yourself. It's going to look different for everybody. In that light, I want to share with you the song of the week from the great John Prine. Oh my gosh, how do you choose one song? I know a lot of people have been sharing John Prine songs, and so I thought I would share this one that you may not be as aware of. It's not one of his best hits. I think it soon will be, though. It's one of his new ones from his latest album, The Tree of Forgiveness. This is called Summer's End. I just find that this song is helpful for me in finding the balance and sort of holding me a little bit in those moments when I feel the need to be held and to, again, find that balance and find that place of home where you feel safe, whatever that looks like to you. This is a beautiful song, and I share it with you, sing it for you, and have a great week and hang in there. This is Summer's End by John Prine. Summer's ends around the bend, just flying. The swimming suits are on the line, just drying. I'll meet you there per our conversation. I hope I didn't ruin your whole vacation. Well, you never know how far from home you're feeling until you watch the shadows on the ceiling. Well, I don't know, but I can see it snowing. In your car, the windows are wide open. Just come on home, come on home. You don't have to be alone. Just come on home. Valentines break hearts and minds at random. That old Easter egg ain't got a leg to stand Just hang out in bars, just talking. And I still love that picture of us walking, just like that old house we thought was haunted. Summer's end came faster than we wanted. Just come on home, come on home. You don't have to be alone. Just come on home, oh come on home. You don't have to be alone. Come on home. Thank you, Mr.